His tail's moving. Night fever, night fever. Oh my god, this... Okay, we're in Strodes. This is the Strodes Cat reacting to my friend Elliot's laser.
Make it dance again. Dance, kitty, dance.
I'm a cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Do it up the wall.
That's what she said. I don't know who's more excited, the cat or Nathan.
I'm hugely excited. This is just funny.
Assassin's Creed cat.
Run!
3-0 cat.
Jeez. Yeah, very good, very good.
That's one confused cat. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, look, he's coming. Look at that. Just leave it to me. I'm gonna edit this in at one point. This cat be stepping.
Oh, it's losing interest.
Oh, he's just kind of like, it's not going anywhere, is it?
Let it pounce on the dot and then turn it off.
No.
I couldn't say anything.
This is now just a 2-minute video of laughing at this cat.
This cat is getting so big. How flat does it go?
It becomes completely flat cat.
Oh, look at it. If you broke it,
I'm gonna have to cut this off in about 3 minutes. This is hilarious and will continue to be hilarious. But unfortunately, you've got to... Okay, this is just too good.
I know because like.
Make him run off again, just so it can like end the video.
End the video? No, it's my fun.
This is my fun. Okay, fine. Now you've got a 4-minute video of this cat.
This cat deserves a rest.
Oh. Bye bye. That dog is driving a car. It's hiding from me.
Wow.
That's really quite funny. It's the Weird Animal Special, therefore Katie. This isn't as funny as the cat, but from over there it looked hilarious because it was stood up. But it sees me now and it's just like, no, get away from my...
My tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounded really
Weird Animal Special. I might add my cat in just because it's quite funny. And it's gone. Yeah, you're in it anyway, so... Hey, Katie. It's still filming! It's still filming!
I'm sorry.
No! Yeah, this is video number 27. I actually managed to get people with the fingers. Okay.
You're screwed on number 3 on video 326.
No, we
Yeah.
don't do that.
No, I just realised it's
Everyone do thumbs up.
28, okay.
Everyone do thumbs up. 3, 2, 1, thumbs up. Yay!